Hi, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. This is our product. Look at this one. If you're interested about it, please follow me, okay? This one, look at the packages. The VCA anti-rust bags. On this part is our label. Shumatt logo. If you want to print with your own logo, contact us. And the logo, label, and the packaging bag, and so on. Customize the services. Product code F00RJ01819. Application model number 045120092, 045120157, 045120279, 045120282. QR code. Open it. Inside, 2 cans of the packages. Let's talk about one of them. Whole side also sell the separate parts. Valve cap with coating and cover letters. Valve rods in different sizes and lengths. If you want other sizes, contact us. Okay, that's all. Yes, about the warranties, we have the 6-month warranties. Yep. And 3 tips I want to share with you. First, clean and use oil. Second, make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all. Yes. Remember to follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video, and wish you have a good day. It's time for us to say goodbye to each other. Thank you for that, and see you next time. Bye bye.